Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Scoutcrafter issued a challenge. Make a short-handled hammer. Well, if you remember the clamp, I was a long time working on that one. So I thought, okay, I'll just do a quick job today. I'll take an old hammer that I have and I'll make a shorter handle for it. Shouldn't take long. I have this rather odd little hammer and I don't know exactly where it did come from. I think this is actually something that somebody cobbled together, because this came with a whole lot of things in the handle. Gimlets. Got a tack puller, small chisel, screwdriver bits, scratch-alls, all kinds of things. But there's no way in the world this thing would fit in the handle. So I got a feeling this is something somebody cobbled up. But it does go in there, and it came with it, so must be that's how it came. Now, this is a pretty small hammer, and the reason I chose it is because this has to be a quick job. I have to be able to make this happen really soon. Now this little hammer you'll drive a nail, no problem at all. It's just really tiny. But I think I should make a shorter handle for it because this is kind of big. So I decided to take this piece of hardwood and make another handle. Well, that worked out pretty good. It fit okay. Let's see whether it dries or not. Well, as you can see, it worked pretty well. And I think using the hammer's all in the wrist. Well, John, hope you enjoyed that one. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop it up in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. I think I need a shorter handle.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.